A guided meditation for anxiety. Begin in a comfortable seated position. Feel rooted, safe, and comfortable through your seat. This guided meditation will help you feel less anxious. Once you are settled, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep your breathing at this slow pace. As you inhale, imagine that you are breathing in calmness, peace, and strength. As you exhale, imagine that you are breathing out all of your anxiety, stress, and worry. There is nothing for you to worry about right now in this present moment. All there is to do in this moment is breathe. Feel your anxiety slip away with each exhale. If your mind drifts to feeling of worry, be mindful. Notice it without judgment, and then bring your attention back to your breath. You are strong and can handle anything life throws at you. Notice how calm you feel as you sit and breathe. Open your eyes and take this feeling of relaxation with you.